Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by verifying authority and gathering proof. Account number, last four of your SSN, PIN, and device IMEI. Once you have those, call or log into your carrier's secure portal. Start the account closure request rather than suspension. Explain that you want the number permanently closed and removed from billing. Make sure to note any early termination fees, the final billing date, and whether the number will be released for reuse. This prevents surprises after closure. Once the carrier initiates closure, confirm each operational step. Ask for a written confirmation or reference ID and an expected date when service ends. You should also ask whether the number enters recycling and how long before another customer can take it. If you need the device unlocked, request that now. Make sure to verify the final bill amount and settle any outstanding charges once paid. Insist on an account status update and retention. To complete closure, confirm the service is inactive by testing calls and checking account status within 24 to 48 hours. Also verify your final bill reflects closure. If the number still functions or billing continues, contact support immediately with your reference ID and request immediate correction. If the carrier delays, escalate to a supervisor or file a formal dispute through the carrier's complaint channel. Keep copies of all communications. These records make resolving billing or service errors far.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.